HVAC.
Come on, HVAC!
Tyrannis. Championship game. Travis to pull. Big pull up. It's sitting and we're gonna get down there and it's in. They let it drop in. And we get a D. Krista with the run through. First throw D, baby. And the first throw score. That's a break. Starting it off 1-0. Let's go. Good luck.
Thanks. You too.
Thanks.
Oh, God.
Yes, HVAC. Turn. Right, score is 12-10. They just won. back to pull. Travis pulling. That's a big pull. Travis cramping. Intermission.
All right, we have 4 breaks in a row. Coming back out on defense. Case with the pull. Can he live up
The hype.
to the hype? Oh, sorry. He can hear our commentating.
Give us a wave. Look at that.
Cute boy. Look at that. Look at that man. Look at that man. Look at that pull. It's going.
It's a deep ball.
It's deep. It's going, but it's low. It's low.
They didn't touch it. Oh, they centered it.
They kind of centered it.
Oh, eat that, Jason.
Up. Yeah!
Yo, having a J.
Oh. Gil gets his first touch on HVAC. Maybe.
Ooh, that's a J.
Oh, high release flick from Nicole.
First turn.
We did not score within 2 throws at this point. That's honestly shocking. Here you go, here we go.
First turn comes on a defensive point.
5 points into the game.
Yeah, 5 minutes in the game, first turn.
Hey, HVAC! Oh, around. Got there. Oh, pulling.
Shot, but it's ugly.
It is out of bounds.
Nicole with the great read and says, I'm not gonna go get it.
I don't need to waste my energy going to get an SD. Keep working, HVAC!
Yeah, HVAC!
I think Tyrannis has put their O-line out here like 5 times in a row.
Onside, ready, onside. Listen up,
High release flick from Case. Great grab from Gil into strip call.
Damn. Ooh, good ball, good ball.
Jason Davidson. Oh,
Ooh.
throws a backhand break and then Jane gets hand blocked. Back on D, back on D. Someone's Joe's player busting it deep, going. Come on, Joe!
Oh, pressure.
Joe with the pressure. Gil to Jane.
Oh,
Catches it almost with her knees. Centered to Case. Pick called. Case with the ball.
will he shoot it to Krista? Chances he will.
Case, no gloves this game. Does
will
shoot to Krista.
Jane, though.
She shoots to Jane and was a poor decision. Poach deed.
A little short.
Case owes a push up to the sideline. No, he doesn't. We're not doing that today. Around. Ooh. Tight end cut. Deep shot to Jane. Ooh. And they score.
I missed the pull, but HVAC on offense. Case pickup. Hits Jeremy on the under, who shoots to Josh. Oof. Jeremy shoots to Josh, not enough float on that. Over there, Josh hits the gravel, cuts himself, not good. Poor Fields, sad. Tyrannis ball. We're alive. And we're on the flick. We'll see. Oh, Krista with the D! That's his third of the game! Oh, Ravi with the goal. That's a goal. And a hold. They score. Dope. It's in. Let's go. Is that pressure? Who pulled that?
It is 10-9 Tyrannis. They just broke us on the past 2 points. I'm not sure how much we got, but they played person the first point, then zone the second point, and got 2 breaks. Now there was a pull out the back, and Case is starting it from the break after a timeout. Case puts it. Jeremy, maybe out of bounds. Possibly inbounds. We'll see if there's a discussion. Seems like it was out. Just coming back in on the cone. Looks like there's another discussion about whether or not he was out of bounds. Seems like he was in. Calls a timeout. 10-9 or 10-9 HVAC.
HVAC pulling. The center the disc. Oh, that's another D by Krista. That's 2 in a row. And she scores! Oh, that's 2-0. HVAC to receive. On the line we have Christine, Krista, Gil, Jane, Case, Ravi, and Josh. Looking like we're fired up and ready to go. Let's ball. Center to Ravi. Zoni. Oh my god. Case to Jane with a dime. Oh my god. Let's go. HVAC with a 2-0 start. Krista back-to-back Ds and then back-to-back first throw goals to Krista. She's already like +4. And 2 points. Holy shit. That's fucking wild. Josh to pull. Let's go. That's a big pull. That's sitting way up there. It's in, and they're gonna let that drop. There's confusion on who's centering the pull. Lots of confusion, lots of confusion. And first throw turnover. Let's go. Jason with the head D. Case to pick up. To Jane, who scores? That's another goal. HVAC 3-0. 3 breaks in a row. Let's go. On the line, we have Krista, Josh, Ravi, Gil, Nicole, Jane, and Case. Calling it here, it's gonna be Case to Jane for the goal. Heard it here first. Pulls up. Ravi's fielding. To zone.
How's your shoulder?
Alright.
Right? You just located it together?
Yeah.
And popped it back in?
Yeah.
Is that why you're not playing today?
Pretty much, yeah.
Did you at least tape it or anything to make it feel a little bit more?
It'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. Thank you, though.
At least Canisius tape it to like...
To hold it? Yeah, I probably should.
Feel better, I don't know.
Ravi, 2. Back to Ravi. To Josh. Got Nicole. To Case. To Jane. To Ravi. Oh! Dude runs into Josh and just big boy dicks him. Josh with the big boy grab. Let's go.
All right, the score is 11-12, Tyrannis. Yeah, Jane? There was a pick called. To turn, Tyrannis. That was a turn. Tyrannis is the disc now. Timeout was called.
After we let Doobie take the camera and probably miss all of that, we're back here. We got Coleman, Travis, Nicole, Brendan, Krista, Fat, and Marcus. Marcus Ball. Fourth son to LeVar. Travis with the pole, it's up. Let's see what they do with it. Ooh, they center this time. They're looking to boost. Probably not. Got an under. Another under. Oh, Krista with the body. We'll give her that D. There's Nicole. Travis to pick up. Nicole reset. We are in AC/DC. Let's see what the play call is. AC/DC, high release, lefty backhand. High release, nope, incomplete. Oh. Ooh, another throw turnover. They're trying to force it to Krista's girl. Feels bad, let's wall. I missed that, I'm sorry. End zone is really hard. Travis to pick up with Nicole as the reset. We're in AC/DC again. Oh, Nicole gets the ball. Overshoots Krista, that's okay. Hey, Nicole, drop! Travis on the mark. We turn it. Looking to reset. He almost towed it. That was pretty sweet. How would you... Interesting. Travis with a weird throw.
He can't claim to be guarding lead if he's running at. I think he's right. Coleman finished off like right up there. He has to be actively guarding the guy to save.
He can be. It's 10 feet. Just saying. That is 10 feet. He is guarding him. Travis with the pole. HVAC on D. Let's go. And then down there, they catch this. You take the first throw away. Tyrannis hold after like 15 throws. Let's go.
Coming out of a Tyrannis timeout, still 10-9 HVAC. They have an opportunity to break. Blade, too far. Come on, HVAC! Work! Josh puts up a big huck to Case. Unsuccessful. Up. Getting windy. Cross is coming towards the camera. A little bit downwind as well for them, but mostly cross. Left to right on your screen. And that's another break for Tyrannis. It's 10-10.
All right, Tyrannis is pulling. We're on O. Score is 5-2. 5-2, baby.
Send it to Christine, who finds a wide open Case.
Is it a pick? Probably pick called.
Wrecked. Josh, who just came on the field after getting it wrapped up, has to leave.
What
because
happened?
He's bleeding. He can't be bleeding well.
Okay. So he got it wrapped up and then did it open?
Yeah, no, it just fell off.
Oh, LOL.
Did not work. Too sweaty.
All right, Jeremy is subbing in for Josh.
Probably a good idea.
Okay, we're back in play. Jane, up, Jane. Right. Jane, she got that. She got that. Jane train.
Cool, Jane.
Jane train.
Cool.
Jane train.
Hey, let's
Hey.
go.
To be honest, I don't know if I got that because I was too busy looking at it instead of rotating the camera. But Jane scored it out 6-2, baby.
Let's go. HVAC to receive.
Was it like 7-3? 7-2?
Yeah, something like that. I think it's 7-3.
Oh boy.
Jeremy catches, centers to Josh.
Case. Coming in.
Case under, sees Jane, puts it to Jane.
Get there, Jane! Get there, Jane! Come on, Jane! Bid!
Ooh.
Did you miss that?
Yeah.
She
Watching
bid. It was just out of her fingertips. It was the fingertips. Just out of her reach.
That's the shot though.
Close orders for us all day.
Man, they haven't been able to guard Jane deep, so
I'm gonna go home now.
gotcha. HVAC turnover, and we are. Okay, we're big ball in here. Gil on the mark, Jeremy on the dump. Hey there. Oh, and he just turfs a flick. I think Gil actually scored and then decided to throw it to Jeremy because he was nice.
Travis with the pull. Score is 7-3. One more till half.
Oof.
What happened? Why is it so slow? Oh, it was out of bounds.
Yeah. Pull out of bounds.
Up, Krista, up! Oh wait, never mind. Sorry. Krista, under, Krista! Inside!
Gil, tighten.
Krista,
Gil.
hot, Krista!
Gil.
Up!
I think it's 7-4 now. Tyrannis holds. Let's go. Got a hand and he pulls up. Interesting. Josh throws a blade to awkwardness, but it's okay. They throw a hammer to incomplete. Bad decisions all around the board. Heat is a thing. Marcus to pick up, looking poachy. I think they're scared of the deep shots. Finds Gil. Finds Marcus to Josh. Back to Marcus. To Gil. To Nicole. To Gil. Back to Nicole. All the way to Marcus. To Josh. To Marcus. Travel called. Because he took a lunging step, boys. Let's see what happened. Marcus with the disc to Josh. Travel called again. Ooh, we're over here. Tyrannis scores.